Falooda is a Mughalai cold dessert made with vermicelli. The origin of Falooda goes back to Persia, where a similar dessert faloodeh is quite popular. Let's prepare this delicious Falooda in the simplest way. It's so refreshing on a hot summer day. Iced coffee is a coffee beverage served cold. It may be prepared either by brewing coffee normally and then serving it over ice or in cold milk, or by brewing the coffee cold. Let's prepare this easy-to-make homemade frothy cold coffee. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.